Celebrating the big #1. Dax, have a great day in St. Paul.
I'm digging all the dinosaurs on his shirt.
I love that.
All right, happy birthday, Dax. And a happy birthday to Blaze Elmore. Oh, what a cute picture there. Nice
That was a
family
great picture.
This is
That's because she's got cute grandkids.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I got to show them off there. Our very own Rhonda Zook's youngest grandchild now.
Timber Mitchell celebrating her 2nd birthday. What a gorgeous dress, Miss Timber. And this comes with love from Mom, big brother Carson, baby sister Lainey, and of course, Aunt Rachel. Timber's in Humboldt.
Aw. And Emma Rose Jessie.
8 years old, my goodness.
Oh my goodness, she looks more like Mama every day.
Yup.
Emma Rose is in Crestline. Aw.
Happy birthday, Miss Emma. Rhea Watson, she is turning 11. Oh, cool pick, cool pick. Hang on. Because my eyesight's not the best, I gotta get closer. Little barrel racing. How cool is that? Rhea, a very happy 11th birthday to you. You keep riding, kiddo. She's in Pittsburgh with love from Mom, sister Courtney, and of course your nephews, aunts, and cousins. Don't forget Dad.
All right. Cool. I love that picture. Aaliyah Russell celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Aaliyah's in Joplin. Happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Ben, Cooper, Maylee, and Benjamin.
I like that 17 number because that's where Parker Manley is. Parker, I want you to have a marvelous day. Little Blue Comet pride as he celebrates in Chanute.
All right. Ryan Baker turning 44 years old this year. Ryan is in Oswego with love from Megan, Lily, and Claire.
And Greg Douglas, he is celebrating his 54th birthday. Mr. Douglas, I want you to enjoy your birthday. I know he actually celebrated yesterday, and I wanted to carry it on into this morning. He's in Mulberry.
All right. And we got Richard and Bonnie Freeman celebrating their 65th anniversary. What a wonderful picture of the two of them there in Columbus. Happy anniversary to the Freemans.
Daisy Schooley, we want to give you a screen all by yourself for your birthday celebration. Daisy, a very happy birthday in Baxter Springs.
All right.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 10th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you prefer, you can also go to our website. That happens to be KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Tim, before you take this VO, can you pop me on cam, please?